Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through sending money on Western Union using a credit card. First, you need to log in or register. Open the Western Union website or the app on your device. Once you are logged in, start the transfer. Click on the Send Money option. Choose the country where you want the money to go and enter the amount you wish to send. Double-check the destination and the amount, as these can affect fees and exchange rates. Next, select the delivery method. You can choose cash pickup, bank account deposit, or mobile wallet, depending on what is available in the recipient's country. Make sure you choose the method that is most convenient for the recipient. After that, select your payment method. Choose credit card and be ready to enter your card details. Then enter the recipient's details. Provide their full name exactly as it appears on their ID. If required, also enter their bank details or phone number, depending on the delivery method you selected. Finally, review and confirm your transfer. Check all the information carefully, including the transfer amount, recipient details, fees, and exchange rates. When everything looks correct, complete the payment. This is how you send money on Western Union using a credit card. Thanks for watching.